Okay, hi everybody. We are the Jonas Brothers. I am Ryan,
Dennis.
Abdullah.
and our app is called BoozR, which basically allows us to find happy hours, pub crawls, wine tastings, and other bar deals and plan your night out. Who we are. Well, the problem. Or who we are.
So we just introduced ourselves. Ryan worked on front end HTML and the styling, and then he helped me finish up Scoot. Scoot is this aggregator, brings in coupon deals from like Groupon, those kinds of websites, and it's just an API, so it just gives a JSON response. And so the problem is like you're getting out of work, you don't want to like have to search around for deals. You just want to say like I'm here, show me like the 10 closest deals, and then map them out so I can get there real quick. No wasting around. So we used Scoot and Google Maps API and with the Ajax just to generate a map on a web page just based on simple input like your street address.
So basically, you go to our website, and then you put in your informations like your like your address, and based on that, it gives you 10 results. And when you click on it, it goes to another window where it shows you all the information of the deal and how to get there and all that.
And we could show you how it works. So this is the front page, just to put in your local info. It just gives you a simple list of like 10 closest deals. And click on a button, just brings up a map, and then also a link to the deal website that has it, in this case Groupon. And back to slides. So this is a potential revenue model where an intermediary between the like local businesses and the consumer. So there's plenty of ways you can monetize that just with ads, or also collecting info from your users, like their habits, where they like to frequent, and then did I turn that off? There's a bunch of different ways to monetize that. So who's doing it?
Development history. This is actually his idea. We both agreed on it. So once we agreed on the idea, we delegated who's going to do what. So we agreed I would do the front end, they would work on the back end. But as soon as I finished the front end, which took not that much time, I started helping Dennis out with the Scoot. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we actually been through a lot of problems, from the beginning, like because I know somebody's gonna ask us that questions, like our challenges. Yeah, the biggest challenge was basically a lot of them. To begin with, GitHub, in the beginning everything was fine, but then toward the end, when we are done trying to like commit everything, and then it just crashed. Something happened to my GitHub that I can't even pull or commit. I don't know what happened. Don't ask.
It just got to a point where we would just slack each other the snippet of the code, and Dennis would just push it to the master.
I think some of the bigger problems were not just technical with doing merge requests and stuff, but the just separating out delegating particular aspects of the project. There was overlap. Communication wasn't the greatest sometimes. Somebody would be working on something and then find out that there's a little bit of overlap, just duplication of effort. So going forward, there's like a lot of different ways we could expand how the app works. First, like right off the bat, I was thinking integration with just like single button like open up Lyft or Uber, just to get you like real quick to where you're going, so you don't have to worry about drinking and driving, that kind of thing. You just get there.
So where are we going after class?
I don't know. Let's find out.
And we could also do social services like
Facebook, Twitter.
Yeah, Yelp. You could just so you can interact more with the businesses. Some of the data sources, we just worked with Scoot, but I played around with Twitter API for a while too. That seemed like businesses that were active in social social spaces like Twitter, they were posting regularly about deals that were having, happy hour deals, that kind of thing, and that's really easy to pull the user's like location. They have tons of data that you can use in the same way that we were using Scoot. That's about. I think that's everything, right?
Oh, expanding also to maybe include user accounts and history, places that you visited, stuff like that. Questions?
And just the API that you guys were using, which one were you grabbing the deals from?
Scoot. It's just a API, so they aggregate like Groupon and like other deal websites, and then it's a simple JSON response with business information.
Intentionally, well, yeah, I guess initially, were you just gonna do Brunswick, or, because you have the Rutgers R?
I just use that as the, as a logo.
Sure. The rest of it love to be great.
Yeah, I hope I don't get sued for that.
I guess thank you then.
Yeah.